What's up guys, welcome back to App Geeker channel. If you forgot your latest iPhone passcode, and also had several wrong attempts, then you may encounter the unavailable screen on your iPhone. So, what can you do to unlock your iPhone when it's unavailable? In this video, we're going to show you 4 top picks to fix an unavailable iPhone. Before we start, be aware that each method will erase all the content and settings on your iPhone while removing the unavailable screen. Let's dive in. The first and the easiest way to fix an unavailable iPhone is to choose the erase option from the locked screen. This is only for iPhone running iOS 15.2 and the later, or you'll have to try the other 3 methods in this video. When your iPhone tells you that it's unavailable and try in several minutes, don't panic. On the lock screen, tap the Erase iPhone option at the bottom. And tap again. Enter the password of your Apple account to sign out, and let it erase the content on your device. Wait for the phone to wipe out everything, and the unavailable page will be removed after that. The second method to restore unavailable iPhone is to use the recovery mode suggested by Apple. On your computer, run iTunes or Finder. Grab your iPhone, turn off it first. Hold both the volume down and side button till you see the power off slider. Drag it to shut down your iPhone. Hit the volume up, volume down. Then keep pressing the side button while plugging it into the computer. When it's connected, you'll be given 2 options, update or restore. Here, we select restore. And confirm the option. This will erase all the data on your iPhone. When it's done, the unavailable screen is wiped out, and you can get the access back and restore content from a recent backup. The next method is to use your computer to wipe out the unavailable page so that you can regain the access. Now, go to appgeeker.com, download iPhone Unlocker. You can also get it through the link below this video. Open iPhone Unlocker on your computer, and choose Without Passcode. Start. Then, connect the unavailable iPhone to the computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable its recovery mode. For example, if you're using an iPhone 13, hold the volume down and the side button till the power off slider shows up. Slide it to turn off the iPhone. Now, hit the volume up button, then the volume down key, and keep pressing the side button for a few seconds while plugging it into computer. The recovery mode screen will appear after you see the Apple logo. Select the model of your iOS device. And let it start downloading the firmware to fix the unavailable device. Wait for a while. Here, enter 0000 and click Unlock. Remember not to disconnect your iPhone before the loading bar finishes. And when it's all done, the unavailable page on your iPhone is gone. You can now set it up as a new device. If you're sure your iPhone is connected to the internet and also has enabled Find My, then the last method that can fix the unavailable phone is to use the iCloud. On your computer or iPad, go to iCloud.com. Sign into your Apple account. From the options, choose Find My iPhone. Select all devices here, then all your Apple devices will show up in the map. Locate the unavailable iPhone, click the rubbish icon to erase your iPhone. It may take a while. Once done, you can see the hello screen flash out and the unavailable screen has been removed now. Okay, that's all we have today. If you've got an unavailable message on your iPhone screen, don't worry, follow the methods in this video. You can easily fix it and have the access back. If this video helps, please give us a like and subscribe for more useful tricks.